ini bangke anti drugs campaign rally by Carby Student Association ini tuh ada nampak apa penangan lah kheroni yang bong student mana lah penangan school mission high school tuh penang cerah ini sih dak non bang pet lah ya apa ke buah hin dah dulu mana bang ini tuh high school lah tinggal sih ya ini kopiah lampu thang ni dak abang program
oke sih oke kingdom nang ko lake anti drugs saputan tum kaca song di pasanon jisik konon lo lapen dak along tin apran sen pertama ametang aduti plus kaca mat hapen masih wang momo lapen non la bangsa program itu banking pasanon jisik bom
chalo lapen jadi tum long kacing hon mai arnam dip long secretary la pulang li jersong tiso kadam sir alang li busam me khai kacing hon ache thi hipik alang li ta nang li to main bang kon ne pini na che tong dun da kai lapu bang ke kopli college lo yo alang li tum same apona che pidun pen choro lo lapen ke president la pulang li khai kacing hon ma che thi ding pik bang kon le sar nang li tum arnam te plong branch में नाचे तो नहीं तो arnam te plong branch में bang big cap do oh चलो लो नॉर्मल का नहीं तो लद्दाख में सिचेंग बन पो लद्दाख में नहीं तो लपु kheroni surrounding लो नहीं तो नाम पो
landing je duni ko
Jindabad 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 jindabad
nang dak to ang
Sudah unity long live! Sudah unity long live! Sudah unity long live! KSA long live! KSA long live! Sudah unity long live! Say two! KSA long live! KSA long live! Student unity long live! Say two! KSA long live! Student unity long live! Student unity long live! Say two! Say two!
submitted to the Honorable TC of West Karbi Anglong through the SI Kheroni Police Station. The memorandum reads like this. A memorandum submitted to the Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong District, Hamren, Assam, through the SI Kheroni Police Station by Karbi Students Association on this day, the 10th September 2022. Respected ma'am, at the very outset, the signatories here under, for and on behalf of the Karbi Students Association in particular and the people of Karbi Anglong district in general extend our revolutionary greetings in a Karbi traditional way, Kardom. We pray our Almighty and convey our best wishes for your good health and extra longevity, and we anticipating your responsive, we would like to take this opportunity to submit a memorandum here under as for your kind information and necessary action. Anti-drugs. Keeping in view of strengthening the action and cooperation in achieving the goal of the world free of drugs abuse, every year on 26 June, people across the world observe the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illegal Trafficking. The government of Assam has been taken up the issue very seriously in order to curb down the abuse and illegal trafficking. However, it could not stop the system completely yet, as the peddlers and the consumers are still alive. Resultantly, the new and young generations in our districts are badly affected by it. So in order to ban this vicious circle, strict vigilance to be done in all the towns and commercial centers of West Karbi Anglong district, which Kheroni will